Hi guys, welcome to Show Me Snookie. I'm Snookie and I'm from the Show Me State. While I was shopping at the Dollar Tree, I realized how many options they had to choose from in their lighting, and I wanted to share with you what I found. I want to give you all the basic features that they have to offer. I want to show you the crafts that I've done with each different type of light that they sell, and then I also want to give you a rating scale, what I think of the lights. So let's get started. Okay, first one is a push light. It is LED, and so I took it out of the package. I want to show you what it has to offer. Let's give it a go. There you are. It takes 3 AAA batteries. It also has this plastic seal remover so that you can basically stick it on the wall wherever you want it to go. I myself don't need that to go to happen, but they have a twist turn back, and here's what that looks like. And I just felt like it offers a large amount of light for a large space. So 4-star rating. It is for indoor use, just so you know, and it is 1 per package, which is just fine. 1 for $1 is fine with me for something like this that offers so much lighting. And as you know, I used the push lights in one of my Valentine's Day DIYs. That was super cute, that little plastic bucket with the ladybug on it. So hit that link if you're interested. Also, I've used the push light in the luminaries with the placemat. And so just so you know, they do sell these at Dollar Tree, and perfect for that, arts and craft. Moving on to the next light, I want to show you, this is called a wall tap light. It is also LED, and I had to take it out of the package to show you how much light it offers. And I felt like this was a large amount of bright light, and it is 1 per package. It does not come with batteries. It does take 3 AAA batteries along with this one. Both take 3 AAA batteries. Batteries are not included in both of those. So really cool. It also offers on the back places to hang like a nail or a thumbtack or whatever right here. And then it came with these little Velcro pieces that you could place on the back and Velcro it to the wall if you wanted to. But awesome amount of light. I couldn't get over that. This is a great buy. The other light I want to talk to you about is this pack of 2 LED emergency candles. I thought, okay, I'll buy 2-pack for $1. Yes, let's give it a go. And honestly, y'all, was not impressed. But I thought 50 cents each, how could I go wrong? It requires 2 AAA batteries per candle, and batteries are not included, and it is a twist switch light. And see how this one works, and it has a stand that comes separately, which I did like the stand, don't get me wrong, that was a nice feature. But when I loaded the second one in the package, it did not work. So for that reason, I'm probably just going to give this one a 1 star, because the package says emergency, 100 total hours of lighting. Well, I just feel like I didn't get my hours I only got 50 hours each. Well, I only got 50 hours of lighting in my 100 lighting hours. So I know they were $1, but you know, I kind of wanted them both to work. Not cool. Not cool. So I didn't make any crafts with these because I'm not going to. Okay, next thing I want to show you, super excited about. I love these. I think these are so cool. It is in the floral garden. They come in silver and gold, but this is the silver package, wire LED lights. Love this. Batteries not included, but it does take 2 AA's. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, just throw them in a glass jar, let your battery pack hang out off to the side, and you can light up a jar. Yes, you can light up a jar. I give these 4 stars. I thought they were super cool. I wish they were a tad bit longer, but let me just show you. They are for indoor use only, just so you know. Indoor use only. But I did give these 4 stars because I made the cutest little thing here that everything came from Dollar Tree. Super cute. So I wanted to show you this. I'm going to turn it on with the battery pack. What do you think? I just thought it was a really cool lighted picture frame. Picture frame, $1, 8 by 10. I got the mirror that says love from Dollar Tree, so $1. And then the background is the wedding wrapping paper hearts, and that came from Dollar Tree. And then here's my wired lighting. I just hot glued around the edge of the frame, and it just turned out really super cute. I just love it. And it only took 2 AA batteries to light it up. So that is always lit up in my bedroom in the evening, and it's just sweet. I just think it's so sweet. So that's how I use my wire lighting. The next thing I wanted to show you was their LED clip-on book light. And it really turned out cute, and you can definitely see how to make this in one of my other DIYs. But here this little guy is in action. Yay! There we go. So this is a desktop nightstand, and I give this book light 4 stars. The clip has excellent spring-loaded hinges, which is awesome. Good strength for books. And as you can see, I got a little creative. I didn't want to just use them for a little book. The batteries are included in this, and they come 1 per package. So for $1, you get the whole book light. I love it. It does let off a nice amount of light for reading. It is for indoor use. Awesome. Definitely worth $1. I would definitely put it in an Easter basket, a stocking stuffer, whatever. Good little book light here. So 4 stars. Love it, love it, love it. Definitely love it. Okay, so the next light I wanted to show you were these pillars, and I'm gonna give these, they're 1 for $1. Batteries are included, so yes, I like that. They are for indoor use. The thing that I did not care for very much is the fact that the glow is yellow and not white, which I wish it was. They say these last 120 hours, and they are supposed to give a flickering effect, which they do give a flickering effect. So this candle does live up to everything that it says it's supposed to do. And you can decorate the outside with some ribbon, some burlap to kind of dress it up. Yes, totally love that. This one is my favorite of the two. So this one is red on the outside, but as soon as you light it up, it's orange. So I'm rating it a 3 because I really don't like this color. I don't. It looks cheapy. So either put some ribbon all around it, something, but yeah, I wasn't impressed with the fact that once it turned on, it wasn't red anymore. So it does do what it says it's going to do, but when I turned it on, it wasn't pretty red, and I did want it to be red. And I know, guys, it's $1. Kristen, give a little. Okay. 3 stars? 3 stars. That's what they're getting out of me. 3 stars. Because batteries were included. 120 hours is a lot. I do like the white one. Not a big fan of the red one. Just saying. So my crafts to go with this would be they stand alone. You dress it up with a ribbon wrapped around it. You guys can do that. No, you don't need to see that from me. So the next thing that I do want to show you is so cool. So many functions that this thing has. I was impressed. I have scouts in the family and people who love to camp in the family. This is an LED camping light, and this has a spring-loaded hook right here feature. It also has a little stand that pops out so it stands up on its own, and everyone's like, Snookie, turn it on. So here we go. Option 1. Option 2. Awesome. On. Off. On. You see that? 2 different lighting functions. Awesome. This does not come with batteries. You have to put the batteries in it. It does require 3 AA's. But you know what? And it's only 1 per package, but that's okay because it has so many functions and features to it. And honestly, guys, don't just use this for camping. I mean, seriously, this is great for a kid's bedroom. This is great in the bathroom. This is great to hook onto anything. This is one of those little things that you should just keep in the closet for when the lights go out. I mean, this is a great little thing to have in your little emergency stash. I love that this function can hook to a belt loop. This could hook to anything that around the house. So, yay. Love it. 4 stars. I'm 4 stars. I'm doing it. 4 stars. Yay. Love it. Okay, so the tea lights are everywhere in Dollar Tree. I mean, like, they hang them from the shelves everywhere in the store. I think they're trying to get rid of them or something, or overabundance of them. But super cute little tea lights. They come in a pack of 2. They have the little gold flicker flame. So cute. Love it. And the only thing, I wish there was more light. I know. But I just wish they had a little bit more light. But for a 2-pack, 50 cents a piece, and they come with the batteries. So cool. Now, this would be for indoor use only. And I do like that about this, the fact that they're small. And I will show you, this came from another haul that I did, or another DIY that I did earlier. And all I did was just stick these in here and turn them on. And I used 4 of them for this little big thing, this little big project. And I think it turned out cute. And, let's see, how do I turn this on? Where's my on switch? So anyway, there we go. So, yeah, that was another one if you want to watch how I did that. I just stuck my little tea lights in my little bucket. So, super cute. The other one I found, the other set of lights I found, I was really excited to find. I'm just going to show you. LED tea light candles, waterproof, twist on and off. Love these. Love the whole idea of what you can do with these. Everyone's like, okay, we're going to dump our light in the water, Snookie. Yeah. We're going to dump your light in the vase and light it up. And it would be good for any party favor, place setting, centerpiece, decoration. I just love that, how small they are, but was amazed that they come with batteries. It's a 2-pack, totally worth 50 cents a piece. So let me show you really quickly what I did with them. I took the garden bowl from the garden section in Dollar Tree. I took the Sure Scents beads and dumped them in the bowl. And it smells, ooh, it smells linen fresh. And I took the ducks from the baby section or the toy section of the store and put them in the little bath. It looks like a little bubble bath. And then I twisted the on switch. And guess what? My bathroom smells awesome. My bathroom smells like linen fresh, which is what you want when you're a mother of 3 teenage boys and you're the only woman in the house. Yes, that's the case. So, I have a little ducky bath that smells delicious and lights up the bathroom at night. And so, that is the conclusion of my Dollar Tree light review. And so, guys, hit like, subscribe, make comments, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.